everyone and welcome to this video where I will walk you through creating a lizard point of view drawing. Let's begin by setting up the framework for the room. I used 3 vanishing points, one on the left within the frame, the second on the right outside the frame and the third point nadir below the frame. Using these points as a guide, I sketched the room's outline starting with the ceiling, wall and floor. This gave the foundation of the perspective we will build upon. By the 1 minute mark, the room basic structure is complete. Now I am adding a large window to one side of the room. This feature helps brighten up the composition and add an open, airy feel to the space. It also provides a great view from this unique lizard's point of view. Next, I focus on the table below the TV. It is simple yet essential element that anchors the TV to the room, adding functionality while maintaining the flow of the layout. With the table in the place, it is time to draw the TV. It is positioned centrally, serving as the room's focal point. Following that, I added a bookshelf via almirah on the other side, giving a space a more sense of balance and adding a store to the design. Moving forward, I work on L-shaped sofa in front of the TV. This piece is central to the sitting area and its design helps create a depth while making the space feel more cozy and inviting. It is one of the highlights of the composition and I carefully ensure it fits well within the perspective. Once the sofa was completed with the extra detailing and the realistic features, I added a tea table in front of it. This small yet functional piece ties the furniture together and completes the sitting arrangement beautifully. Next, I include a plant pot near the sofa. On the right hand side of the sofa, this small touch of greenery brings life into the room and add an extra pop. This additional piece makes the room more functional and visually appealing, completing the window design. Now it's time to add the life to the room. I draw 2 human figures seated on sofa, each in different poses. This figure helps create a sense of active and making the space feel more relatable and realistic. Both human figures are in different poses in perspective. Finally, I moved on the extra detailing. I added plants, books, shelves, pots and other decorative items. With the help of perspective, this small element complete the scene, adding a sense of personality and making the room feel more vibrant and lived in. We have to draw everything in perspective, the small detailing also. And that's it. With the help of this small detailing, a lizard's eye view of the beautifully designed room is completed. You can do shading according to your preference, according to tools that you want to use in your composition. I hope you enjoy watching this process as much as I enjoyed creating it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more creative content. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.